Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making this easy seafood boil. It is easy and delicious. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see how it's made, then keep on watching. So first, I am adding 4 to 5 cups of water to a large pot and let it come to a boil. Then I'll be adding about half teaspoon of salt and some liquid crab boil mix. So these are the crab legs that I'll be working with today. They are freshly washed and ready to be added to the pot. Next, I am going to add the shrimp, but you don't want to let it cook for too long because you don't want to give it that rubber texture. So while this is boiling, I am going to prepare another pot to boil my corn, potatoes, eggs, and whatever other ingredients you want to add to it. And don't forget to add salt or whatever other seasoning that you want to use to flavor your pot. So while that is boiling, I am going to prepare my seasoning for my sauce, and I will be using 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, half teaspoon of lemon pepper salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, and half teaspoon of red crushed chili pepper. I am going to go ahead and add 2 sticks of unsalted butter. I am going to let that melt. Next, I am going to go ahead and add 3 cloves of garlic. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the seasoning. You want to make that cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now it's time to add the crab legs. You want to get all that buttery sauce all over it. Let's talk about this shrimp, okay? Guys, this shrimp, it was so delicious. It was so juicy, okay? Y'all need to give this recipe a try. Now I'm adding the remaining of the ingredients to the sauce. That is the corn, potato, sausage, and eggs. There you have it, guys, and I am just adding some parsley flakes to top it off. Guys, it is so juicy, it is delicious. Y'all need to give this recipe a try. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video. Share this video with a friend. Until next time, bye guys.